Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu with a Pro Controller. First, ensure your Pro Controller is fully charged. On your Nintendo Switch home screen, navigate to the controller's icon. Select Change Grip/Order from the menu. Hold down the sync button on top of your Pro Controller for a few seconds until the player lights begin to flash. Your Switch will then detect and pair with the controller, allowing you to enjoy the game. Once connected, navigating the world of Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu is straightforward. Use the left joystick to move your character around the map. The right joystick can adjust the camera view in specific environments. To open your in-game menu, simply press the X button. Confirm your selections by pressing the A button and use the B button to cancel or go back. This setup provides precise control for your adventure. Catching Pokémon with your Pro Controller offers a unique experience. For the best results, hold the controller horizontally, mimicking a single Joy-Con. Use the right joystick to carefully aim your Poké Ball at the wild Pokémon. Once you have your target, press the A button to throw. Timing your throw as the capture circle shrinks will significantly increase your chances of a successful catch, earning you bonus experience points. In battles, use the directional buttons to navigate through your move options and items. Press the A button to select your desired action. Outside of battles, the A button is also used to interact with non-player characters, examine objects, and progress through dialogue. The Pro Controller provides a comfortable and familiar feel, enhancing your overall gameplay experience as you explore the Kanto region and become a Pokémon master.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.